We're here to talk about The Voice of Germany. It's currently running in Germany. It's already our 12th season. Kind of our main clients are the coaches you see here. Yeah, so you have lots project people involved. You've got internal and external stakeholders, and everyone's got feedback. And since you have so many people involved in such a big project, it has a huge impact on our creative process and production process.
We work like this. This problem with this old feedback looping is it's very, very one-directional and linear. And today you need to be much more faster to be more efficient. So we had to find a solution for this, what works for us. So we went online, searched for new tools, and suddenly Mr. G brought us this little tiny guy. By implementing this lovely Frame.io as one of our central tools, we eliminated all the old feedback looping and speed up our business and production workflows, of course.
Let's, for example, jump right into After Effects. It works exactly the same for Premiere. Since Frame.io is part of Creative Cloud, you have this fancy plugin here. I'm going to render my first trailer right into the cloud. So what you would do is go into there, click Upload, and you could either choose to live render and upload an active or a queued comp. And then you have also, like you know it from After Effects and Premiere, you have all your presets going on. I could rename it. I can check my settings. In the past, I would probably have sent an email to my client or called him, and then maybe he wasn't reachable for me. All I have to do is, you see this small little icon here? I can set a status from now on. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to set it to needs review. Everybody is now instantly notified via the cloud, via email, and knows there's the first creative online, and I can now review it.
I'm Ringo Power. Hello. I'm a German rock star. Let's see the result together. So you have this common video interface here. So I hit play and let's see what they have done. Okay, I think I have questions to this creative here. We go here, for example, and down in this footer area, we have this tiny comment section. And I can, for example, ask, okay, you don't like my haircut, but cats? So, and that you see this small yellow button there. It's exactly this frame where I put my comment in. And what I can do now that Steven, the creative, even more recognizes what do I mean here, I have this lovely brush tool. I can choose a color, for example, and I can do like this. I mean this. And perhaps that Steven even more recognizes when I can put some arrows. Yeah, okay. Steven, this one. Yeah, just a few. And then I hit send.
And as you can see here right now in After Effects, everything happens in real time. You see the small looking item here in the bottom right corner. I've got this preview. I could rewatch my movie, and the perfect thing for me as a designer is that I do not have to rewrite so many emails. I can jump there and I instantly see, okay, I get it. He doesn't like the head of this beautiful meme cat. So what we're going to do is we have this initial version 1 here, and we're going to add the finalized or re-edited trailer of myself here, version 2, where I edited out all the feedback of my client. And what I will do now is, it's pretty simple. I just drag and drop this and stack it onto the first version. You will not have to manually look or filter for different dates. You will always know what's the current version.
You can compare the old version and the new version. You can do this here. You click here on compare versions, and now you have one player button here, and over there the old version and the new one. And even you can switch the sounds over there, but I will not do it because the sound was awful.
alles, wofür ich gearbeitet habe.
Okay, no
Wartet
cats,
hinter diesem Tor.
no weird type.
The Voice of Germany, die neue Staffel.
Great job, Stephen.
Thanks. That's about it.